Hello there, welcome to this video, a week in the life of my relaxed hair. My name is Tyler and I'm going to show you what a week looks like for my relaxed hair. Day one, I greased my scalp because I felt like my hair was a bit dry. I took out knotless braids that I had in for about 3 weeks prior to this and washed my hair that day. And I'm trying to be better about greasing my scalp or moisturizing my hair more often. So here I am. And to grease my scalp, I've been using the Blue Magic Originals Super Sure Grow. I typically start in the back and work my way up into the front. And when I'm done with that, I just massage it in a little bit and comb my hair out before putting my scarf on. Day two. I unwrapped my hair the next day, combed through it, and did my usual styling, which is to have the majority of my hair fall to the right side of my face. This is the style that I do the most while my hair has been growing because it's at that length where it's not short anymore, but it's not long either. Day three. It's wash day, which I'm always pretty excited about because I get to start fresh. I use Motion's Active Moisture Lavish Shampoo to start. I follow that shampoo up with Aphogee's Deep Moisture Shampoo, which is another favorite of mine. After I've rinsed out all of my shampoo, I apply a good amount of the Motion's Active Moisture Plus Conditioner and leave it in while I finish the rest of my shower. I'll make sure to have all these products linked down below in case you want to try them out yourself. My next step on wash day is to blow dry my hair, but first, heat protectant, of course, and Aphogee's Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer, which is good for colored or chemically serviced hair like mine since it's relaxed. Once my hair is dry, I straighten my hair. So I only do this once a week. After I do it this one time, I most likely won't straighten my hair again unless it's just looking too crazy and I need to go over a few parts, but I really try to limit the amount of straightening that I'm doing. Later in the day, I just went to the gym and I wanted to show you what my hair looks like now. It's okay. Focus. There we go. No, that's not right. Focus on, it's the face. It's been a few hours. I just got back from the gym, so I wanted to show you what my hair looks like now. It's not as straight, it's not necessarily frizzy, it's just not as fresh, I would say. Here's a better view. Not too shabby, not too shabby. You know what I do realize? What is different is I don't know. One thing that is different about my hair after I get done working out when I'm wearing it like this is that it's not as fluffy and like, I don't know, like not movable. It's fine once I kind of comb through it. It's still a little bit damp right here, but it does lose its volume a little bit after working out, which makes sense. But for tonight, it's fine. I'm not even gonna worry about it. I usually don't. When I wake up in the morning after having it tied down under my scarf for the night, it kind of works itself out and looks perfectly fine. So we'll see what happens in the morning. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go take a shower, so I'll see you tomorrow. Day 5, I'm greasing my scalp with the Super Sure Grow from Blue Magic that you saw earlier in the video. It was such a random buy. I remembered Blue Magic, of course, the one and only, but this was the first time that I saw this kind. It has Japanese green tea leaves in it, which I thought was so interesting. Day 6 and 7. I completely forgot to record on these days, but in a nutshell, I did absolutely nothing to my hair, so you didn't miss anything at all. We've arrived back at Sunday, which is another wash day for me, and everything I did to my hair this day was the exact same as last Sunday. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more, and to stay connected here on YouTube. All of the links to the products that I use will be down below if there is one. And if you're into wellness, check out my blog, also linked down below. And I hope to see you in the next video.